Nanotechnology. The science of the small, the art of the future. In a world where size matters, nanotechnology reigns supreme. At the scale of atoms and molecules, possibilities are endless. From medicine to electronics, nanotechnology is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives. With nanotech, we're unlocking new frontiers. Imagine targeted drug delivery, repairing tissues at the cellular level, and combating diseases thought incurable. Not just in healthcare, nanotechnology is transforming energy production, making it cleaner, more efficient, and sustainable. From faster computers to self-healing materials, the impact of nanotechnology is profound and far-reaching. So, dive into the world of the infinitesimally small, where big changes are happening. Welcome to the age of nanotechnology. Subscribe for more insights on the cutting edge of science and technology.